All kickers are not created equal, and when Mercury a couple of years ago came out with the 15 EFI Pro Kicker, I truly think they set the bar for a couple of reasons. First thing, obviously, being an EFI, we fish so much in the cold in the north, and the second thing is basically the handle setup. I think they've really hit it out of the park. You can actually adjust this to be center or to the right or to the left on the kicker motor, so you can move it depending on where you're going to position the kicker on your boat, whether you're going to be on the starboard side or the port side. So very, very easy there. But one of the things that we've heard a lot of is people, you know, in the past, before this 15 EFI, ran a lot of 9.9 kickers. And the beauty is, for 2021 here, we have this exact kicker in a 9.9 EFI model now too. But one of the things I wanted to talk about is why I still like to run a tiller handle in kicker situations. And it's really pretty simple. I like the ability, if I'm trolling sharp brake lines, to make a turn this fast or this fast. And I like to have the ability to run the throttle within my hand. I'll use an extension handle a lot of times, and I'll troll around that way. But what you can do with this setup here is actually turn it into a great open water scenario too, where you don't have to use the tiller handle. And what I've done is added a Powertran tail fin setup to it. And there's basically just a quick disconnect bar right here. We're all hooked up. And then what I can do is, instead of using the tiller handle, now it can't turn, you actually can stand anywhere in the boat and turn this kicker with a key fob. Very, very good for open water trolling. But when I look at kickers in general, there is not a kicker that is more versatile than these Pro Kickers, especially now that you can get this EFI Pro Kicker in a 9.9. So pay attention to what you're doing. If you want to have that ability to run a tiller, you can put something on it too to run it with a remote and get the best of both worlds out of any of the Mercury Pro Kickers available now.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.